Welcome back. Today's goal of this lecture is, today I will see complex integration. Some example of complex integration which had come in different type of exam, CSIR NET GATE exam. First question, let's see. C be the positive oriented counterclockwise direction oriented circle radius half centered at I. That means the region is, this is the point I equal to 0, 1. Centered half means this is the point 3 over 2, 0. Sorry, 0 over 0, 3 over 2, and this is the point 0 half. And dz over z to the power 4 minus 1. This means dz over z square minus 1, z square plus 1. And z square plus 1 means zz over z square minus 1, z plus I, z minus I. Here only the point I in this contour, plus minus 1, I minus I, these are both outside of the circle. Now put the value of I in here, then the value would be, integration would be 2 pi I, put the value z square minus 1, that means put the value of I in z I square minus 1 and put the value of I is z plus 1, that means I plus I. This value is 2 pi I minus 1 minus plus 2I. So this value would be, here I would be cancelled, here 2 would be cancelled. This value is pi over 2. So option 2 is a right option. Next I will solve another question. The question is, let gamma be the positively oriented circle z belongs to C such that mod z equal to 3 over 2. Here z belongs to C, mod z equal to 3 over 2. Consider this is 3 over 2 point and this is minus 3 over 2, 0. They are 3 over 2, 0. And given 2 pi IC equal to e to the power pi iz over z minus 1, z minus 2I whole square. And here 1 is the lies inside the circle and 2I means, mod 2I means 2, which is greater than 1. So this is outside of the circle. So put the value 1 here. Then this value, integration value would be 2 pi I e to the power pi I over 1 minus 2I whole square. And this value would be 2 pi I e to the power pi I means minus 1 square root of 1 plus minus 2 whole square equal to 2 pi IC. Here 2 pi I would be cancelled. That means this value is minus 1 square root of 5 whole square equal to C. That means C equal to minus 1 over 5. And here we have to find the mod C. Therefore mod C equal to 1 over 5. That means fourth option is a right option. The set C equal to xy such that minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1 and y less than equal greater than equal to minus 1 less than equal to 1. Describe the anti-clockwise direction such that integration z square over 4z minus 1 minus I dz equal to, here the region is x lies between minus 1 to 1 and y lies between minus 1 to y. So this is the rectangular region. And this integration would be 1 over 4 z square over z minus 1 plus I over 4. And this value would be 1 over 4 2 pi I over times f of 1 plus I over 4. And this value is, fz means here z square, 1 over 4 would be cancelled, pi I over 2, 1 plus I whole square over 16. And this value would be pi I over 32 times 2i. This value is 16. That means this value is minus pi by 16. I hope my all viewers have understood. Next question. Let gamma be the complex plane positively oriented circle in the complex plane mod z minus 1 equal to half. That means the region is here the point 1 and here 3 over 2 and here half. Therefore, the integration z e to the power I z over z minus 1 times z plus 1. And here the singularity at the point 1, minus 1 and 0. And only one point lies inside the circle and these points lies outside the circle. So put the value here. Put the value 1 here. Then the value of integration would be 2 pi I e to the power z here. If you put the value 1 z equal to 1 e to the power 1 plus 1, this value equal to e to the power 1 times pi I. That means this value is equal to pi I. I hope my all viewers have understood. That means option 1 is the right option. Next question. Which had come GATE 2025 exam? The question is I equal to 1 over 2 pi I integration sin z over 1 minus cos z cube dz, where c equal to the set z belongs to cz equal to x plus iy, such that mod x plus mod y equal to 1 and xy belongs to R is oriented positively simple coast club. Then the value of 120i is, here I equal to 1 over 2 pi I over sin z 1 minus cos z cube. And the region is mod x plus mod y equal to 1. That means the region is such type. Here 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. And the pole is 1 minus cos z cube equal to 0. That imply cos z cube equal to 1. Sorry, this equal to 0. That imply z cube equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, so on. But we all of us know pi equal to 3.14. So 2 pi, 4 pi, these points are outside of this region. Only z equal to 0, this point is inside of the region. And we all of us know at z equal to 0, sin z is equivalent to z and cos z is equivalent to 1 minus z square over 2 factorial. Therefore, 1 by 2 pi I sin z over 1 minus cos z cube. This value is equivalent to z over 1 minus z6 by 2 factorial, which is equivalent to z over z6 over 2 factorial, and this value is equivalent to 2 over z to the power 5. Since this has a pole of order 5 at the point 0, so this value of the integration would be 1 over 4 factorial d4 over dx4 fz. This here fz equal to this. This very difficult method. Another method is, we all of us know, the coefficient of 1 over z is the value of the integration, and we all of us know I equal to, here given sin z equal to z minus z cube over 3 factorial plus z to the power 5 over 5 factorial, so on. Therefore, coefficient of 1 over z would be, when z to the power 5 over 5 factorial, then 1 over 2 pi I, this value of the integration is 2 pi I, 2 factorial over 5 factorial, because this is the coefficient of 1 over z. That means this value is 2 over 120 equal to I. That means 120I equal to 2. So this value is equal to 2. Next question, which had come GATE 2024 exam. Let C be the ellipse such that the set equal to mod z belongs to C such that mod z minus 2 plus mod z plus 2 equal to 8. Which is transverse counterclockwise. This is the equation of ellipse. Then the value of the control z square equal z square dz over z square minus 2z plus 2. Here the pole is z square minus 2z plus 2 equal to 0. That means z equal to minus 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2 times 1. This value is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 8 over 2. That means this value is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2I over 2. That means the value is minus 1 plus I minus 1 minus I. Now put the value here. Is it outside or inside? Mod z plus 2 plus mod z minus 2 plus mod z plus 2. At first put the value. Here minus minus positive would be. Put the value 1 plus I first. This is 1 plus I minus 2 plus 1 plus I plus 2. This is equal to I minus 1 plus 3 plus I. This is equal to minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square, and this is 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. This value is square root of 2 and this value is square root of 10, and this is always less than 8, because square root of 2 is something 1.1 and square root of 10 is 3.10. So this is less than. Next, mod z minus 2 plus mod z plus 2. Here the point, put the point 1 minus I. Then this is equal to 1 minus I minus 2 plus 1 plus I plus 2. This value is equal to minus I minus 1 plus here 1 minus I, 3 minus I. So this value is square root of 1 minus 1 whole square plus square root of plus minus I whole square. This is 3 square plus minus I whole square. This is also equal to square root of 2 square root of 10. This is also less than 8. So we all of us know I equal to 2 pi I into sum of the residue. And when pole are simple pole and when it is look like pz over qz, then the residue is pz over q prime z, where q prime z equal to 2z minus 2. So first, since I1 is 2 pi I z square minus 2z z square over 2z minus 2 at the point z equal to 1 plus I. This value is 2 pi I 1 plus I whole square over 2 times 1 minus I minus 2. So this value is equal to 2 pi I 2I over 2 plus 2I minus 2. This would be cancelled. So this value is equal to 2 pi I. Next, the residue at the point 1 minus I. I2 is similarly 2 pi I z square minus 2z minus 2 at the point z equal to 1 minus I. This value would be 2 pi I times 2 similarly. So this value equal to 4 pi I. Similarly this value is equal to this value is 1. This value would be equal to 2 pi I. Since I equal to sum of residue, so this value is equal to 2 pi I plus 2 pi I. This is equal to 4 pi I. This is the value of I. So the value of I equal to 4 pi I. Question which had come CSIR NET 2023 exam. The question is CB positively oriented circle in the complex plane radius 3 centered at origin. Then what is the value of the integral? 1 over z square e to the power z minus e to the power z. Here notice, here 0 is pole of order 2, here also 0. That means there exists 0 is pole of multiplicity 3 of order 3. Then the residue is 1 over 2 factorial d2 over dz2 z cube over fz, means z square e to the power z minus e to the power z. This value is, and we have to find this value at z equal to 0 times 2 pi I, value of this integration. But this is the dz2, sorry, this is the very difficult way. Similar to first few seconds ago, I have seen the coefficient of 1 over z minus 0 is the value of the integration always, or value of the residue. So we can write dz over z square e to the power z minus e to the power minus z. We can write this as dz over z square 2z square sine hyperbolic z, and this is equal to 1 over 2z square sine hyperbolic z, means z plus z cube over 3 factorial plus z to the power 5 over 5 factorial, so on. Now common z, then this value would be this is 1 over 1 plus z square over 3 factorial plus z to the power 4 over 4 factorial, so on. And this is equal to this is 1 over, this is equal to 1 over, and this is equal to, we can write 2z cube 1 plus z cube over 3 factorial plus z4 over 4 factorial to the power inverse, and this value is equal to 1 over 2z cube 1 plus z cube over 3 factorial plus z4 over 4 factorial, so on, plus this part whole square plus so on. And coefficient of 1 over z is, so coefficient of 1 over z is coefficient of z square. So this value would be 1 over 2 times 1 over 3 factorial. So this value is 1 over 2 times 1 over 6, means 1 over 12. And the value of the integration is 2 pi I times 1 over 12. So this value is pi I by 6, and the option given pi I by 12, 2 minus pi I by 12, 3 pi I by 6, 4 minus pi I by 6. Option 3 is a right option. I hope my all viewers have understood clearly the question. Okay, well.